Let's learn about forest animals. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant is the largest land animal in the world. It has two big ears and two tusks with a very long trunk. Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Monkey swinging creatures that love to play. It likes to eat fruits and nuts. Panda, P-A-N-D-A, panda. Bear black and white fur. It has 4 legs and a short tail. Panda likes to eat bamboo shoots. P-A-N-D-A, panda. Penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin are flightless birds. They have wings but use them as flappers for swimming. Koala, K-O-A-L-A, koala. Furry animals that sleep in trees. They are very shy animals. They love to eat eucalyptus leaves. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, wild animals that lives in forest. Hunts other animals for food. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R. Polar bear, P-O-L-A-R-B-E-A-R. White bears that lives in snow. Have thick white fur. Dolphin, D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin, friendly animal that love to swim. Giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe are tall animal with a long neck and spots. Giraffe love to eat leaves. Gorilla, G-O-R-I-L-L-A. Gorilla, big ape that very strong. Gorilla larger than monkey. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Zebra looks beautiful with white and black strips on all over its body. Plant-scented animal. Horse family belong. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Strong animal that can be ridden. Horse love to eat grass and also plants. Lion, L-I-O-N, lion. Lion also called king of the jungle. Lion like to hunt other animal for its food. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Adorable feathered creatures. They looks very beautiful. Love to eat insect and plants. Butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Colorful insect with beautiful wings. They also looks very beautiful. One of the most beautiful creature in the world. Owl, O-W-L, owl. Wise bird that active at night. They have excellent vision. Owl. Kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Bouncy animal with a pouch. They love to eat plants. Kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O.